Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is water, oxygen, compounds. Friends, compounds are the substances which are made by two elements separately bonded together. Anyway, water is made up of two elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Now what I will do, I will represent the compounds by a bigger circle, whereas water comes under compounds. Now oxygen is an element that can be represented by a separate circle. Now let us match our result, or let us match our diagram with the given Venn diagrams. The given Venn diagram F matches with our diagram. So now let us check the given options. So the given first option is B, second option is C, third is E, and the fourth option is F, which matches with our result. Therefore option 4 is the right one. Well friends, we will see some more problems.